Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be taking notes in a video on frequency polygons and ogives. That's how you say that word. So you should already have your pink foldable. It has 3 tabs in it, and we already did histograms. And so with that, we're going to finish the foldable frequency polygons and ogives and talk about how to make these graphs and what the differences of them are. So with that, let's get started. So first, a frequency polygon. A frequency polygon is a line graph rather than a bar graph, so it's a type of line graph. And the frequencies are represented by the heights of each point. So on the x-axis, they use class midpoints rather than boundaries like histograms did. Histograms use class boundaries, but frequency polygons use midpoints. So what happens is you leave this as 0 as your starting point. You write your first midpoint here, and then you write all the rest of them. And then whatever your frequency is, so you'll have to scale your y-axis, you'll have to follow that. So this looks like it's probably about like 28 in frequency, and so on and so forth. And then also note, because a polygon is a sided figure, however many-sided figure, that is like closed or convex. So the reason why we call this a frequency polygon is because we bring that first data point down to the origin, and this is our last data point, and they brought it back or drew a line to close it at the end. So we'll look at an example to show you how to create one of these. Okay, so let's construct a frequency polygon using this table. And you guys, you do not have to write in this table because this table is from an old foldable, that group frequency foldable that we did. This is the record high temps. Remember when we organized this a long time ago, we already created this frequency distribution. We're just using it to create a frequency polygon. Okay, so I'm going to use the graph as my axes, or the bottom edge and that left side edge as my x and y axis. So frequency polygons use class midpoints on the x-axis and frequency on the y-axis. So let's start with the x-axis. So we're going to have to tally. I did tallies 3 spaces apart, with the origin being the first point and then tallies after that. And then your class midpoints are going to fall under that. So 102, 107, 112, 117, 122, 127, and 132. I just went up by ones on the y-axis, so 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 20, because our highest frequency is 18. And then now all you have to do is you have to plot the points for each according midpoint. So like 102 should go up to a height of 2, and then 107 should go up to a height of 8, and 112 should go up to a height of 18, and 117 should go up to a height of 13, 122 should go up to 7, 127 should go up to 1, and 132 should go up to 1. So what you're going to do when you make this frequency polygon is you're going to connect all those dots, okay? So from here to here, 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 and here to here. But the biggest thing to note is that this is all connected to the x-axis, that first data point and that last data point, and that's why we call it a frequency polygon, because polygons are closed shapes that have multiple sides. So we're like creating a shape that's brought back down to the x-axis, okay? And always, always, always remember to label your graph. So our y-axis is frequency, our x-axis was temperatures. We used the midpoints, but those numbers are representing a temperature, and then the whole title of our whole graph can be record high temps, okay?